Good morning, class. Today we are starting with a new chapter, the Constitution and the need for law. This is your first chapter from civics, that is, social and political life. So, this chapter is all about what are laws, why do we need laws, how do they help in the regulation of a country, and how are rules and laws important for the functioning of any country. Okay, so let us start with the introduction. A rule is an established principle, a standard, or a guide for action. Rules are essential for effective and proper governance of a country. These rules and principles are laid down in the Constitution. Now, basically, if we are understanding rules in context to Constitution, now what are rules? See, rules are basically established principles. That means something which is already set by an authority. Like, for example, if we want to say rules in context to schools, so you have certain rules that you have to go through the discipline, you have to obey the discipline, okay, you have to wear a certain uniform, you have to follow a certain timetable, you have certain timings for schools, for the arrival and dispersal, and so on, other criteria. So you have to follow those rules. For example, if you have inappropriate hairstyle, so you have a certain penalty for that, okay, or in fact certain other kinds of punishments as well, right? So if we look rules in context to Constitution, so there are certain rules which are already set, okay, and these rules have some kind of principles. Now if we are talking rules in context to Constitution, then what kind of principles are there in our Constitution or in the rules we have? So principles in the Constitution are like justice, okay, we believe in justice, we believe in equality, all these things, your freedom, secularity. So all these things are basically the principles, okay. On these principles and few more, we have certain rules in our Constitution. These are standard, that means fixed, or a guide for action. Also, it is a guide for action. Basically, if anyone tries to violate these principles, there is a penalty for that, that means a punishment for that. Rules are essentially for effective and proper governance of a country. Why are there rules in the Constitution? So that we can run the country and the governance effectively without much hurdles and troubles. The rules and principles are laid down in the Constitution. And what is Constitution? It means, so Constitution is basically, you can say, a book or a document in which all the rules and principles related to a country, related to its governance, its management, its administration is written, okay. So rules and principles together written in the Constitution, here we are talking about, and why is it important, okay.